Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. So today our video will be presenting about mangrove and its impressive facts. Firstly, what is marine primary producer? It is an organism that able to make their own food using sunlight, and they're also the first level of marine food chain. So marine life won't survive without them. And next, the example of the marine primary producer is phytoplankton, sea grasses and mangrove. But today we'll be focusing on mangrove.
Mangroves are one of the most productive forests in the world. Even though they only cover a small area along coastline, they play a very big role in the global carbon cycle. Mangroves absorb large amounts of carbon dioxide through photosynthesis and store it in their trees, roots and the soil beneath them. This helps reduce the amount of carbon in the atmosphere and slows down the climate change. Because of this, mangroves are often referred to blue carbon ecosystems. They also produce a huge amount of organic matter that helps the marine food webs, including fish, crab, and other organisms that nearby ecosystems depend on. So when we say mangroves are highly productive, we're not just talking about how fast they grow, but how much energy and carbon they produce and store. This brings us to an important concept used to measure this productivity, which is known as the net primary productivity.
What is net primary productivity?
Okay, so net primary productivity, or NPP as an acronym, is a foundational metric. It's the rate of photosynthesis minus the plant's respiration. In simpler terms, it's the net amount of organic carbon fixed by vegetation over time.
So next we have factor affecting. Hot today. So temperature set the limit of mangrove growth. So cold winter restrict them at high latitudes, while warming trends boost subtropical productivity. Then we have rainfall. Adds another layer. Freshwater reduce salt stress and bring nutrients. So humid tropical mangrove thrive far more than arid system.
Okay, and different, which will reduce productivity in coastal ecosystems because high salt level makes it difficult for plants to absorb water and nutrients limiting their growth. In contrast, tidal flushing and river flow improve coastal conditions by supplying nutrients and removing excess salt, which support healthier plant growth and higher productivity.
Another factor that we might consider when talking about net primary productivity is the rising sea level. The rising sea level causes flood to occur more frequently. By flood, this can kill the mangrove tree, hence reducing the amount of net primary productivity.
So mangroves are very primary producers that feed the ocean and store the carbon. Mangroves also play a crucial role in maintaining healthy and productive coastal and marine ecosystems. Protecting mangrove means protecting marine life and our future. Thank you for watching. Bye!